Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tax loss harvesting with TD Ameritrade. To configure tax loss harvesting with TD Ameritrade, start by logging into your TD Ameritrade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Research and Ideas tab on the top menu. From the drop-down options, select Stocks to explore your portfolio. Review your current investments to identify any securities that have experienced a decline in value. Create a list of potential candidates for tax loss harvesting. Next, visit the Accounts tab and select Positions to see your holdings in detail. Examine the unrealized losses for each position. Choose the security you wish to sell for the tax loss harvesting process. Before executing the trade, ensure that it aligns with your broader investment strategy. Now, click on the Trade tab, then select Sell and enter the details of the transaction. Confirm the sale by reviewing the order confirmation and agreeing to any applicable fees. Once the sale is executed, the losses can be used to offset any realized gains in the same tax year. Consider whether to repurchase a similar security to maintain your market position without triggering wash sale rules. Make sure to wait at least 31 days before repurchasing the exact same security to avoid disallowing the tax benefit. Keep detailed records of your trades and losses for tax reporting purposes. Finally, consult a tax professional to ensure compliance with current tax laws and regulations regarding tax loss harvesting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.